This is a 1966 Evinrude 18 horse short shaft 2-stroke. So last year I did a whole bunch of work to this motor. I went through the carb, went to the ignition system. I had to replace stuff on the carb, a whole bunch of random stuff, new thermostat and housing gasket and all that fun stuff. So they used it all last summer. Everything was good. Stored it. Went out in January, February, I believe. Said it ran great for a bit, and then all of a sudden it started running like crap. They brought it back and I checked it out today. So long story short, I had to go through the carb again. The first time I went through it, there's a whole bunch of crud on the bottom, clogging up the main jet. I cleaned the crap out of it. Everything is good. This time there was a little bit of crap on the bottom of the float bowl where the main jet was. So I went through it again, went through everything and put it back together again and run the motor, tune the carb. Everything was good. I did pull off the flywheel and made sure the points and stuff were good still, and they're still good. Compression spark is good. Everything is good again. I'm using my tank and hose because I don't want to use that tank and hose and kind of have to go through everything all over again. He is leaking gear oil out of the lower unit too. Somebody else did the water pump and resealed the gear case, but it's leaking gear oil. There's reverse. Neutral. A little bit more throttle. That's forward. You give it more throttle, it'll shoot some water out. Back to neutral again. I had to replace the shift cable before and all that fun stuff. I did a whole bunch of work to this motor last year. But yeah, this time I had to go through the carb again and also replace this fuel line going to the carb. The other fuel line, it cracked. The part going to the carb cracked and broke off, so I just replaced the whole fuel line. But everything's working like it should again. The customer would like me to take it out to Cooper Creek. It's an old school P14 boat, cool little boat. But the customer wants me to take it out before they pick it up to make sure everything's 100% in the water. But I could tell everything's back to good again, just how everything's working here. Yeah. So this one's good. I got some crap I got to do. I got to pick up the kids from school pretty soon and word ceremonies and stuff like that. So I don't have time today to take it out, but we'll see. Everything's good though.